Alright, so in this video we're going to tackle two issues. As you can see, I have already removed the cover of the boot in Golf Mark 7.5, which is over here, and you can see there are various clips in various locations. However, what's more important are the Torx screws that you have to be mindful of, and that is the Torx, let me see it carefully, Torx number 20. Right, so you're going to have two over here, and you're going to have one here and one here. So basically they are slightly hidden, as you can see. One is here, the other two are here, and the other one is here. So let me just bend this over a little bit. So yeah, the two of them are hidden there, and the other two are hidden somewhere up here and up here. Right, so effectively you'll know how to get through it. What you can see, of course, here is a little bit of water. Right, there's some water here. And obviously, as I heard, it's a common issue in Golfs to have some leakage. And effectively the problem, there are two problems here. One of them is the seal around here. As you can see, a lot of basically sand, which comes with water, and we have to remove this bit and this bit and this one. However, I'm not going to remove them just now because I need to order the seal, and I can see that on Volkswagen, sorry, not on eBay. I can find original parts for VW, and I can order it from there. So I'm going to deal with that. There is another issue that I have bumped into as well, and apparently it's common in Golfs too. As you can see, we have this little hole here, right? And for this little hole, we have this drainage pipe here. So I have already removed it, but for the purpose of the video, I'm going to remove it again. As you can see at the end, it's a bit ripped, isn't it? Right? Well, the truth is that this rubber should be basically having a bit of a kind of a lip coming out of here, right? So technically you would be, one second, I've separated it with my teeth on the left hand. So essentially you'd be probably placing it through here, but this little lip that is supposed to stop it and kind of anchor it in place should be up here. And as you can see, it has deteriorated. Right now the car is 2018 and we are in 2025, so the car is getting a bit old. And one could excuse, especially in Britain with a weather, ever-changing weather from wet to dry all the time, one could excuse the idea that this part is going to deteriorate slightly and start breaking up. Nevertheless, this is yet again another part that one can order online. Can't remember exactly the price, but it's going to be around £10. It's going to be similar with the seal over here. It's going to be probably around, and I'm just guessing here, between £7 and £9, because I've started looking at them before I came down here to the garage, but I didn't really pay attention regarding the model exactly, but it's for Mark 7 or 7.5. So anyhow, that's one of the things that one needs to replace, as you can see. And obviously you do want to replace it because eventually it's going to start just putting too much water into the car. And what I found is that every time I would open the boot, if there was some water, you know, without even noticing, you're going to have a line over here, right? There's going to, I think you can, yeah, you can still see the line. Yeah, actually there are two. And it's very difficult to wipe them off there. I suppose it depends on whatever substance is there mixed with water, but it's very difficult to wipe them off. In the rear view mirror, you will be constantly seeing a significant line, and I suppose for someone with some level of OCD like myself, it's going to be quite annoying. So that's why we're going to investigate this, and we're going to sort of replace the part. You can see a lot of sort of soil and sand built up. So I'm going to order the parts. Essentially, I will put them in a moment in the video, because this video is going to be edited in a way, in my amateur way, and you're going to see the links where I bought the videos and all that. So right now, this is the car. It's an Estate 2-litre GT TDI, but I would assume that this stuff is going to be standard across all models, all Estates, if not even the hatches. Yeah, it's going to be probably the same with a hatch car. I don't know whether this glue, I should do something about it. Well, hopefully not. Okay, so that's it with the video, and I will see you in the second part where you will see how I'm replacing it. So take care.